Nestled amidst a tranquil maple forest in Bromont, Oakhill House emerges as a residence born from a deep understanding of the surrounding landscape. The house doesn't attempt to stand out as a dominant object, but rather blends seamlessly among the trees, following the natural slope of the land and the existing rhythm of the environment. Its presence feels serene, as if it has long been a part of the forest itself. The building's low, elongated form maintains a scale and harmony with the surrounding tree canopy. The repetitive sloping roof creates a dynamic play of light and shadow throughout the day. This element not only serves a technical function but also creates a soft visual character, making the house feel light and unencumbered by the landscape. Inside, the boundary between interior and exterior nearly disappears. Expansive glass openings connect the living spaces to the forest views, allowing for maximum natural light. Each corner of the space feels like a frame capturing the beauty of nature, creating a living experience that is more than just being inside, but rather living alongside nature. The layout follows the natural flow of the land, creating a gradual and flowing spatial journey. Outdoor areas such as terraces, pools, and gathering places are layered along the contours of the land, enriching the spatial experience while strengthening the connection with the environment. There are no rigid boundaries, just a subtle transition between the built space and the natural landscape. Oakhill House is not simply a residence, but a statement about how architecture should relate to nature. It doesn't dominate, it doesn't impose, but exists with full awareness of its context. It's a work that demonstrates that serenity and simplicity can be powerful forces in creating meaningful spaces.